All right, so we're solving equations with variables on both sides. So what we're going to do is take what we've learned so far and now add to it. So we're going to have a variable on each side of the equation. And what I mean by that is you're going to have one on the left and one on the right. So the first thing you're going to have to do is get those variables together. So you have to move one of the variables to the other side to put them together. And how you do that is you just add or subtract. So you pick the smallest variable, and what that means is the number in front is the smaller of the two. So you have 2 and you have -9. -9 is the smallest one, so you use its inverse operation. So since you have subtraction, you're going to add 9b to both sides. And then combine your like terms. So 2b plus 9b is 11b. Okay, so now it looks like one of those equations that we've been solving for the past couple days. So, step 2 would be move your constant. And your constant is the number that does not have the variable. So see how we have a +4 here? You're going to not add +4, sorry about that, but you are going to subtract 4 from both sides. So you have 11b is equal to -22. The last step is to isolate your variable or get your variable alone. And how we do that is either multiply or divide. Here we have multiplication and its inverse operation would be division. So we're going to divide by 11. So b is equal to -2. And that's how you do these problems. I have 3 more examples for you, so we're going to do those right now, and then you're going to go to your in-class practice. So again, you choose the best variable to move. You have 4x and 2x, so which one is the smallest one of the two? And that would be 2x. It's positive, so you subtract 2x. So when you're moving a variable, you're going to move it by either addition or subtraction. You never multiply or divide it, always addition or subtraction. So you have -3 plus 2x equals -13. Again, we would move our constant, so the number that does not have the variable. So you're going to add 3 to both sides. And then you have 2x is equal to -10. Divide by 2, and x equals -5. And that would be your answer. Over here you have -7v and -8v. -8v is the smaller of the two, so you're going to add 8v. And that leaves you with 1v minus 6 equals 3. Again, it looks just like the problems we've been doing before, so move your constant. So either add or subtract. In case this one, we're going to add. So you have 1v is equal to 9. You can leave your answer with the 1v in front, but you do not need it there. Okay, so you can also just write b equals 9. I want you to press the pause button and try to solve number 3 right now. All right, so you should have solved number 3, so let's walk through this. You have 5x and you have 1x. 1x is the smaller of the two, so we're going to subtract 1x from each side. Then you have 4x minus 1 is equal to 15. Again, it looks just like the other problem, so let's add our constant, our 1. And then you have 4x is equal to 16. Since you're multiplying, you would divide by 4, and x equals 4. I want you to start your in-class practice right now, so please go back to your desk. Get working. When you finish, raise your hand, and we will come around and check. Have a great day.